A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Now, kids, let's sing it faster.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Welcome to Ken's Kids channel.
A is for apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish. G is for guitar. Guitar. H is for horse. Horse. I is for infant. Infant. J is for juice. Juice. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L is for lion. Lion. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nest. Nest. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for penguin. Penguin. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for sun. Sun. T is for tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for violin. Violin. W is for whale. Whale. X as in box. Box. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Zebra.
Let's sing it again.
A is for apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. juice. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, nest. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for penguin, penguin. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, violin. W is for whale, whale. X as in box, box. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo. Z is for zebra, zebra.
Letter A. A is for apple. Apple. Do you know the sound of letter A?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter A? Great job! Letter B. B. B is for banana. Banana. Do you know the sound of letter B?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter B?
B.
Great job! Letter C. C. K. C is for carrot. Carrot. Do you know the sound of letter C?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter C? Great job! Letter D. D is for dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Do you know the sound of letter D?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter D? Great job! Letter E. E is for eggplant. Eggplant. Do you know the sound of letter E?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter E? Great job! Letter F. F is for fig. Fig. Do you know the sound of letter F?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter F? Great job! Letter G. G, G, G. G is for grapes. G, G, grapes. Do you know the sound of letter G?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter G?
G, G, G.
Great job! Letter H. H is for honeydew. Honeydew. Do you know the sound of letter H?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter H? Great job! Letter I. E, E, E. I is for imbi. E, E, imbi. Do you know the sound of letter I?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter I?
E, E, E.
Great job! Letter J. J, J, J. J is for jackfruit. J, J, jackfruit. Do you know the sound of letter J?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter J?
J, J, J.
Well done! Letter K. K, K, K. K is for kiwi. K, K, kiwi. Do you know the sound of letter K?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter K?
K, K, K.
Well done! Letter L. O, O, O. L is for lemon. O, O, Do you know the sound of letter L?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter L? Well done! Letter M. M is for mango. Mango. Do you know the sound of letter M?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter M? Well done! Letter N. N is for nectarine. Nectarine. Do you know the sound of letter N?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter N? Well done! Letter O. O is for orange. Orange. Do you know the sound of letter O?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter O? Well done! Letter P. P is for pineapple. Pineapple. Do you know the sound of letter P?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter P? Well done! Letter Q. Qua. Q is for quince. Quince. Do you know the sound of letter Q?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter Q? Well done! Letter R. R is for raspberry. Raspberry. Do you know the sound of letter R?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter R? Well done! Letter S. S is for strawberry. Strawberry. Do you know the sound of letter S?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter S? Well done! Letter T. T, T, T. T is for tomato. T, T, tomato. Do you know the sound of letter T?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter T?
T, T, T.
Well done! Letter U. U is for ugly fruit. Ugly fruit. Do you know the sound of letter U?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter U? Well done! Letter V. V, V, V. V is for vanilla. V, V, vanilla. Do you know the sound of letter V?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter V? Well done! Letter W. W, W, W. W is for watermelon. W, W, watermelon. Do you know the sound of letter W?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter W?
W, W, W.
Well done! Letter X. X, X, X. X is for Zemania. X, X, Zemania. Do you know the sound of letter X?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter X? Well done! Letter Y. Y, Y, Y. Y is for yam. Y, Y, yam. Do you know the sound of letter Y?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter Y? Y, Y, Y. Well done! Letter Z. Z, Z, Z. Z is for zucchini. Z, zucchini. Do you know the sound of letter Z?
Yes!
What is the sound of letter Z? Well done!